Hi, this is Josh from Brown Dog Welding, and I'm doing a quick video to show you the latest piece I did. It's a little different from my normal stuff, but that's usually where growth happens as an artist. So I did this fist. It's the Joe Louis, the fist, as the statue is called in Detroit, right off of Jefferson down Woodward. It's kind of a symbol of the city, the Joe Louis fist. Well, if you don't know who Joe Louis is, look him up. Detroit is kind of a melting pot. So it's a very interesting city, very interesting people, a lot of good, a lot of bad, but we're trying to do what we can to make it good for everyone. This piece I used a lot of different metal. I used silicon bronze, I used cast iron, I used stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum bronze, and it gives it kind of a, I don't know if you can see it or not, it gives it some cool looks. When it was heated up, it was really neat. You get a lot of purple and blue, and the different materials, you get different properties, so they expand and contract differently with heat and with rapid cooling. I quenched it a lot, so you'll get little cracks and little holes in it, but to me that kind of represents the city in a way. There's a lot of it, nobody's perfect, there's a lot of imperfections, but balanced together it makes something strong. I think that we all search for perfection, but it's not, perfection is kind of a balance. So you've got the things that are good and the things that are bad, and in my life it seems like the more things that happen, the better things get. The lower things, the valleys are deep as well, so it kind of all balances, and it gets kind of hectic because you're at the top of the world and the bottom of the valley all at the same time, and it messes with your head a little bit. But I think my sculptures are much the same. I don't like perfect lines. I don't like straight lines. I think it's perfection. It's a balance of, it's a lot of imperfections put together to make something cool. And all the philosophy aside, this is also a bottle opener. So there it is, the fist.